You could totally, like, you could definitely cut that. What is that? Neon star? Ah, you love cheese.
Hey guys, it's Harmony and welcome back to my channel. So today we are at Toys R Us right now to search for some toys for Tiffany's little sister because she is having a birthday party today and her birthday is today. And we're gonna search for some toys for the What's Inside series to cut up some squishies. So let's go.
Harmony, look at this unicorn. What movie is that one from? Oh, Despicable. Remember this?
Look at the horn. Turn it up.
Oh, wow. Hey, that's cool. So cute. Let's see it.
Oh, I know this is. You can put this like on your.
Oh, that's cute. Now you can be the unicorn you always dreamed of. Is this the lip balm?
So much different ones.
Whoa,
Oh my goodness, this one's
so
just a
cute.
fluff ball.
Let's keep looking. Ooh, so pretty.
It's all the way around.
Oh, the Mermaid Pillow. So cool. What else they have?
Wait. Oh my gosh.
What is that?
It's the neon.
Neon star?
Yeah, neon star. Look at it.
They're cute.
So cute. There's one in a donut and the strawberry.
I like the donut one so much too. They're like $30.
Yeah, I'm guessing. At least.
Yeah.
This one's really cute too. It's like a.
That's really cute. So pretty. The colors. And I love the strawberries on it. Yeah, and on her body. So cute. Okay. Let's look over here. She likes Shopkins, right?
Yeah.
And also my mini Mixieqs.
They
Do they have
them.
any? Yeah, they do. I've seen them.
At Dollar Store. They ran out.
Yeah, not Dollar Tree. We've
We
looked.
should have bought.
Harmony, I found them. There's the My Mini Mixieqs right here.
Wait, what?
Right over there.
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of blocked by this, this little thing right here.
They are $2.99. Oh
Yeah.
my god.
No.
Frog Squishy?
Funny pop-out eye squeeze toy. We see a lot of those at Claire's.
Oh, here's this.
Set. But that doesn't really, oh yeah, they do have.
They have like these little
Yeah.
toys. Oh my gosh, so cute.
That's cute.
It's like a little rubber ducky and like a little giraffe.
You want to get that for her?
Yeah.
Do they have like a different
Yeah, they
set?
have. But this one is like the toy. This one's the Toys R Us, like right here.
Oh, okay.
It's like
So it's like a Toys R Us exclusive.
that's cool. It has like a little claw machine. And then it comes with this room that you can like put all the stuff in. Yeah, I
That's
think she'll
cute.
like these.
Okay.
Like this.
When you get her this one too. This one next to it.
Ooh. Room.
Yep. There's more down here.
Oh my gosh.
You should get them all because they're like really good price. They're actually on like clearance right now.
Clearance.
Yeah.
This one's like
There's
a
so many.
arcade. This was an arcade. It has like a bowl function. Just
You
dance.
think you like these?
Yeah. Wait, so we're gonna get all of them?
Let's get her like one of every set that you
Oh.
can find. Try to find her all the different sets. Give her a big My Mini Mickey.
Steve-ication.
She really loved all those My Mini Mickey.
Steve-ication.
Okay.
I think that's it.
No, what about the ones?
Wait,
There's some in the back. There's a bunch in the back. Find any different ones or are they all the same?
I think that's it.
That's it? Way in the back?
Yeah, that's it. It's all the arcade one.
Okay, what about over here? I see one. Nope, they're all the same, huh?
They're all the same.
So show, what is it?
So if you collect all of them, you can like put them together and create like this really big set
Ooh.
right there.
So do we have all of them right here? So there's 1, 2, 3 different ones.
No, we didn't collect all of them. There's like
And there's that
different
little...
ones everywhere. Yeah, these are it.
Okay, so we'll get these for...
So here we are in the summer section. So there's lots of toys here. And this is one that I found. And the sponge on top is really soft, but it's supposed to be used for like fighting.
Probably a pool toy,
Yeah, it's a pool
Like-
toy.
but maybe... I wonder how much it is and what you can make from this.
Yeah, we can like probably make it into
Like a can?
oh yeah, a big Coca-Cola can.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
What? Squiggle Steep House. The little squiggles.
They're squishy.
The raising squishies. Whoa, whoa. Let me pull flow.
Ooh, that's cool. And there's some squishy toys over here.
Oh,
Oh,
there's a hop ball.
does that look familiar?
Oh.
Are these squishy?
No.
They're hard. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, look, Minion ones.
Oh, Mickey one. Wait, this is weird inside.
Oh, look,
Star one.
Sea Star. It's so pretty. It's so bright.
This one.
1, 2, 3, $5 section.
Wow.
Not really. Squishy, squishy.
Ow, how do you squish
Stress
it?
ball.
Wait a second. Is this? Oh, it's a little lobster.
Lobster. Look at this.
Whoa. Oh, okay.
Just air.
Yeah, it's just... Wait, I found another cheese. How the what? I found another cheese.
Pick it up. Go pick it up. What is that? You could totally, like, you could definitely cut that.
Oh, it is slime.
What is it?
It's like a... And it feels so cool.
Is there a cap to it so you could take the slime out? Oh, okay. So
it's like a
weird.
volcano.
It's like a squishy and a slime container. There's slime inside.
That's so weird.
What else?
Socks.
Oh no, you found them! Pizza? Oh.
It's a cake.
It looks so soft.
They are.
Donut. So cute. Super soft. I like the cake. They're $30. Did you know that?
But it's a good bracelet.
Well, you can have one. And you can pay me back with your birthday money. Well, that's why you have birthday money. So you can buy stuff when you're out. Hot dog. Do they have a taco? Do they have a taco for Emily? Remember?
Yeah, the birthday cake one is like really soft.
See it?
Look at the face. And it has like a mini
Oh my
can on
goodness,
it.
such a cute kawaii face. He's so cute. Seriously.
Or cupcake.
Cupcake's cute.
Yeah.
I still like the other cake better, just because,
It's like
yeah, it's,
taller.
yeah. It's so pretty with the
Yeah,
white
I'm
and
gonna
the,
get this one.
you want that one?
It's so soft.
Okay. Okay guys, so Harmony's going to show you guys what we're going to get today. So these are just items for herself
This
first.
one is this cake, and it's super soft and squeezable.
Okay, what else are you getting for yourself?
This arcade playset, and it has like this.
Wow, that's cool. So she's also getting a set for Tiffany's sister. Everything that she's getting, she's also getting one for Tiffany's sister. So this one is the last one.
Cafe mini room.
There was only 2 of those left, and that one is, the package is broken, but she's still gonna get that.
The Toy Store Deluxe mini room.
Okay.
Then this ski vacation playset. And then the last one is this beauty salon mini room.
Okay, and those are all gonna be for Lindsay as well.
This is the bag.
Okay.
Out for Lindsay. And then that's it.
And then the Shopkins.
Oh, yeah. And then the 2 Shopkins.
The 2 Shopkins. One's for Lindsay, one for Harmony.
And then
And then remember the slime that you found?
oh yeah, and that weird looking slime thing.
The slime. I've never seen
I
it.
have no idea where it went. It's buried in this.
Let's look for it. Hang on. Okay, so we found it. It was like
Yep.
at the bottom of the cart. It's just the weirdest, like squishy. What is it, Harmony?
It's like a goo.
It's the only one we found in the whole store. We found another one, but it was broken. So this is what it looks
I'm
like.
just gonna show you this line really quickly. Oh my gosh, it's kind of like watery a little bit. Oh my gosh. Oh, it feels so weird. Oh, it's not that stretchy as in the picture. It kind of feels very gross.
When we open it, because we're going to just go pay. Let's end the vlog here. What do you want to say?